Okay, relax your head. So, and this comes the water. Here we go. Stars are dancing in our eyes. Let's slip away, no goodbyes. Your laughter echoes in our mind. Floating in this hazy light. I want to be. Stop laughing. Stars are dancing in our eyes. It's sweeting you. So guys, we've been retightening this girl hair since last week. We started last weekend, right? We're still busy with it. And the last time she retightened, she agreed to retighten before now. Was 6 months ago. That was last year, before her birthday. So I locked her hair because this girl don't like to make her hair. Every time we have to do something with her hair, we fight. So when I got tired of fighting my only doctor, I said, you know what? I got you. Oh, lock your hair. And it took me 5 whole weeks to lock this girl hair. And since then, it has been super flexible because I retighten her hair when she's ready. Because Mama is the one doing the work, so she don't have problem. Now see how long her hair is. This month is 3 years. Princess hair is officially 3 years.
Yes.
Today,
Yeah.
since we lock it, do you see the length? And we stop fighting. This is what we've done so far. So we continue. Princess, I'm gonna stop the video. I know you like camera, but today, why are you laughing? Huh? She's happy. This guy can frustrate me, oh. I don't give her Mama happiness style. Yes, what? Meet my daughter. Little me. Look at the beautiful teeth. Oh, look at that. This girl is never serious. The only time she's serious is when she's on her tablet.